Lamdamasida mahosagi ing tapa fimbam hanjul handuna Phurup Masel Nungsi Chanana Hingminaraba Matam-Data Erangsigi Waroisin Purakpa Ngamgani haina Mau Esigi MLA Losii Dikho na phongdokre wafamasi Chandel Christian Village ta pangthokpa Anal Naga Students Union Anal Landroll Tangpigi Kuntraganipan Suba General Conference ta mahak na phongdokhibani Thoramaduda thoiba mitunglengi warol piraduna MLA Losii Dikho na hai Manipur da BJP na luchingba lengak lakpadagi NPF na mapung fana sagulaga lakli makhata na su chatminaduna atuba matamda BJP na luchingba lengak ama laglagani haibagi thazaba thamli Center gi maikaidagi anoba lengak semlakpa matamda NPF ki maikaidagi angamba thak mateng pangani haibagi thazaba piba laikre haina mahakna phongdokhi National Highway singda ban namadi blockade tawbagi matangda palladuna MLA Losii Dikho na makhata na hai mipum khuding magna ban amadi blockade saugat panatte adumakpu kanaguma miyoi kharana Phurup Masel gi marakta charang na hanba yaba amadi wakhalon tina handabagi thausildi tawhaningde Manipur ase Phurup kayana khundaminaba lamdam oibana Phurup Masel gi marakta ngaihaki oina wakhal manadaba thaudoksing thoktaba natte adumakpu punna hingminabagi wakhalonda nungsi chanaba puraknanaba aikhoi khuding magna hotnaminaba mathau tai haina MLA Losii Dikho na phongdokhi Thauramgi saruk ama oina ANSU na nauna linkhatpa Chandel district ki Waroisin gi oiba competitive exam gi coaching center amasu MLA Losii Dikho na maikhum hangdokhi Thauramadu ANSU gi president BD Ningwar Analna Hai Anal Phurup ki Mahairoi Amadi Naha Singbu Mahai Masin Amadi Sana Khotnabagi Lamda Ahen Mamityeng Thamduna Mating Leiba Phurup ama oinanabagi pandamda conference asi pangthokpani haina mahakna phongdokhi
Even a single person can create misunderstanding among the people. So see in Manipur, among of people, irrespective of all the communities, we have issues, we have differences, but we will live together. And these issues of land or whatsoever, it cannot be solved in one day. It is to solve slowly. But first of all, we need to have peace and understanding. Then only we can be able to bring solution and peace. Even yesterday, there was a lot of problems. The Kuki MP and then the UNC has come together to make some understanding. That was a very good initiative. But in between, somebody started. That's why there was a lot of commotion, a lot of confusion yesterday. But somehow they intervened, and then things are improving now, not like before. Even here in the whole state also, the scenario is changing. So people now understand, unless and until we come together, understanding together, step by step. I think it is going to take time. So we are doing that, and hopefully we have peace day by day in the state.
As the apex student body of the Anal community, we understand the importance of education and excelling with. We are proud and at the same time we are happy to have inaugurated the LT Coaching Center today. Through this LT Coaching Center, we will be providing affordable coaching facilities to the Anal students aspiring for various state and central examinations. And we believe that down the years, the coaching center will provide much needed central and state officers. Someday, through our hard work and dedication, we believe that this LT Coaching Center would produce even IAS officers. May God give us that day soon.